enough of that. Okay, so I think that point is pretty much made. Probably over. Now I'm gonna get rid of the spinning windows. And let's go back to, okay, no, let's use this. This is a building interior. Kind of hang around, and as you can see, windows, doors, different materials, and they face different directions, and they have different properties, heat and insulation. So, depending on time of day and weather conditions, the heat or the temperature within a building changes based on these materials and also the environment. The bottom line is that when you're all these renewable sources, power sources in, you're faced with a lot of variability and unpredictability in the amount of power generated. Therefore, it is perhaps better to use a different model altogether, which is the distributed or district heat and water or energy and water supply, where in this case the different elements are all on a grid, and this grid is shared by the occupants of a district, and it has the benefits of it pools everybody's resources. It serves all the occupants of the district. It allows some improvement on, or some control over the dependency by intelligent placement of these components throughout the district. And it also, since it's shared, there's a now large body of pool of shared energy that can be allocated amongst that district. And how do you go about doing something like that? Because that's a huge problem in control and detection. That's really something for later, but I'll just give you a hint. It's called autonomous ad hoc systems, and they're small nodes composed of sensors and control units that, when put together, self-organize and talk to each other and communicate what the big picture is. In this example, the overall, say, temperature everywhere is known, and therefore with this, or the overall amount of power being generated by any particular node is known, and therefore it is possible to distribute this power in a more efficient way. I've repeated this about 20 times, so I'm very tired of saying it, and I'm not doing a very good job. So this video is really for purposes of illustrating a technique that I will produce a better video when I've rested. So again, single user model versus district model. And district model lets you share resources, and where's the bloody thing? Okay. Right. So one way that you can share these resources effectively is to use an autonomous network of sensors and controllers. And the next video will go into how that operates, but hopefully, even me being this tired, you it is clear the problems with the existing model, the dependency of these systems with local environment conditions, and therefore the shared model is one that addresses these issues because it allows an entire district to pool their resources and share the energy. Um, I'm really tired, so I will go into how that works next time. And I'll make a better intro when I've rested.